I met you on the screen with a cup of black coffee, charts on the globe, and your laugh coming softly. You said play it slow, I said I know the dance. Now every green candle feels just like romance. I don't need gold chains, I just need my way. One clean run up and a brighter day. If the numbers hold, then I'll sing, I swear. I'm already dreaming of a life I pay. Wake me up when I'm paid. Wake me up when I'm paid. I'm in love with the trade. I'm in love with the trade. No stop loss tonight. I'm a winner, I'm safe. Wake me up when I'm paid. Wake me up when I'm paid. I see us in Fiji, bare feet in the sand. You in a white dress, holding my hand. We trade by the sea, let the whole world fade. Sunset on our faces and a cool lemonade. Let the market move, let it swing my name. I've got my heart on a dividend flame. One more good week and we'll fly away. I'm already living in the afterpay. Wake me up when I'm paid. Wake me up when I'm paid. I'm in love with the trade. I'm in love with the trade. No stop loss tonight. I'm a winner, I'm safe. Wake me up when I'm paid. Wake me up when I'm paid. If the morning comes and the red turns blue, I'll be grinning wide, thinking only of you. No looking back when the river runs gold. I can taste that future sweet and bold. Wake me up when I'm paid. Wake me up when I'm paid. I'm in love with the trade. I'm in love with the trade. No stop loss tonight. I'm a winner, I'm saved. Wake me up when I'm paid. Wake me up when I'm paid. I met you on the screen with a cup of black coffee, charts on the globe, and your laugh coming softly. You said play it slow, I said I know the dance. Now every green candle feels just like romance. I don't need gold chains, I just need my way. One clean run up and a brighter day. If the numbers hold, then I'll sing, I swear. I'm already dreaming of a life I pay. Wake me up when I'm paid. Wake me up when I'm paid. I'm in love with the trade. I'm in love with the trade. No stop loss tonight. I'm a winner, I'm safe. Wake me up when I'm paid. Wake me up when I'm paid. I see us in Fiji, bare feet in the sand. You in a white dress, holding my hand. We trade by the sea, let the whole world fade. Sunset on our faces and a cool lemonade. Let the market move, let it swing my name. I've got my heart on a dividend flame. One more good week and we'll fly away. I'm already living in the afterpay. Wake me up when I'm paid. Wake me up when I'm paid. I'm in love with the trade. I'm in love with the trade. No stop loss tonight. I'm a winner, I'm saved. Wake me up when I'm paid. Wake me up when I'm paid. If the morning comes and the red turns blue, I'll be grinning wide, thinking only of you. No looking back when the river runs gold. I can taste that future sweet and bold. Wake me up when I'm paid. Wake me up when I'm paid. I'm in love with the trade. I'm in love with the trade. No stop loss tonight. I'm a winner, I'm saved. Wake me up when I'm paid. Wake me up when I'm paid. I met you on the screen with a cup of black coffee, charts on the globe, and your laugh coming softly. You said play it slow, I said I know the dance. Now every green candle feels just like romance. I don't need gold chains, I just need my way. One clean run up and a brighter day. If the numbers hold, then I'll sing, I swear. I'm already dreaming of a life I pay. Wake me up when I'm paid. Wake me up when I'm paid. I'm in love with the trade. I'm in love with the trade. No stop loss tonight. I'm a winner, I'm safe. Wake me up when I'm paid. Wake me up when I'm paid. I see us in Fiji, bare feet in the sand. You in a white dress, holding my hand. We trade by the sea, let the whole world fade. Sunset on our faces and a cool lemonade. Let the market move, let it swing my name. I've got my heart on a dividend flame. One more good week and we'll fly away. I'm already living in the afterpay. Wake me up when I'm paid. Wake me up when I'm paid. I'm in love with a trade. I'm in love with the trade. No stop loss tonight. I'm a winner, I'm saved. Wake me up when I'm paid. Wake me up when I'm paid. If the morning comes and the red turns blue, I'll be grinning wide, thinking only of you. No looking back when the river runs gold. I can taste that future sweet and bold. Wake me up when I'm paid. Wake me up when I'm paid. I'm in love with the trade. I'm in love with the trade. No stop loss tonight. I'm a winner, I'm saved. Wake me up when I'm paid.
Good morning. Hey Hectron, how you doing today? Let's see what we got this morning.
I met you on the screen with a cup of black coffee, charts on the globe, and your laugh coming softly.
Oh, this whole week has been light news.
I said, I know
Excuse me. I like it. 7 o'clock we had the 30-year mortgage rate. It's up to 6.69%. Crude oil inventories, gasoline, distillate, and Cushing at 10:30. 1 o'clock we have the U.S. 20-year bond yield. And Alphabet quarter 2 2026 earnings is at 4 o'clock. Also Texas Instruments and Tesla quarter 2 earnings is at 4:05. IBM is at 4:10. Google is at earnings call is at 4:30, and 5:30 is Tesla's earning calls.
No stop loss tonight.
That's it for the day.
I'm safe.
I like these late news days.
I'm paid. Wake me
I am currently in an oil long with 5 minis, or 5 micros.
I see us in Fiji, bare feet in the sand. You in a white dress, holding my hand. We trade by the sea, let the whole world fade. Sunset on our faces and a cool lemonade. Let the market move, let it swing my name. I've got my heart on a dividend flame. One more good week and we'll fly away. I'm already living in the afterpay. Wake me up when I'm paid. Wake me up when I'm paid. I'm in love with a trade. I'm in love with a trade. No stop loss tonight. I'm a winner. I'm safe. Wake me up when I'm paid. Wake me up when I'm paid. If the morning comes and the red turns blue, I'll be grinning wide, thinking only of you. No looking back when the river runs gold. I can taste that future sweet and bold. Wake me up when I'm paid. Wake me up when I'm paid. I'm in love with the trade.
Currently down 65 bucks on this, so
With the trade.
not going great. But it's not the worst loss I've taken in a while. Hey Zara, how you doing?
I'm safe
Nope, didn't touch anything in Asia.
when I'm paid.
No desire to. I had an order, a limit order in on oil. It never got picked up, much to my dismay. Anybody take any trades in the Asia London?
I met you on the screen with a cup of black coffee, charts on the globe, and your laugh coming softly. You said play it slow, I said I know the dance. Now every green candle feels just like romance. I don't need gold chains, I just need my way. One clean run up and a brighter day. If the numbers hold, then I'll sing, I swear. I'm already dreaming of a life I pay. Wake me up when I'm paid. Wake me up when I'm paid. I'm in love with the trade. I'm in love with the trade. No stop loss tonight. I'm a winner. I'm safe. Wake me up when I'm paid. Wake me up when I'm paid. I see us in Fiji, bare feet in the sand.
Czar had a few on MQ.
White dress, holding my hand. We trade by the sea, let the whole
They're trading the DAX. That's always fun.
sunset on our face.
I have actually never traded the DAX.
Lemonade, let the market move, let it swing my name. I've got my heart on a dividend flame. One more good week and we'll fly away. I'm already living in the afterpay. Wake me up when I'm paid.
Investors awaiting Alphabet earnings for the clearest indication yet of whether massive AI spending on hyperscalers is translating into stronger returns, according to Financial Juice.
I'm in love with the trade.
Brent hit $95. Stocks are dropping ahead of Alphabet.
I'm a winner, I'm saved. Wake me up when I'm paid.
Hong Kong's Chinese Medicine Hospital is to launch stroke back pain programs next week.
If the morning
And Maduro and his wife are due back in U.S. court in drug trafficking case.
I'll be grinning wide, thinking only of you. Looking back when the river runs gold.
Hey, good morning, Skeletor. How you doing?
Future sweet and bold. Wake me up when I'm paid. Wake me up when I'm paid. I'm in love with the trade. I'm in love with the trade. No stop loss tonight. I'm a winner. I'm saved. Wake me up when I'm paid. Wake me up when I'm paid.
It's looking like my oil long is coming up a little bit, but still not great.
Charts on the globe and your laugh
Alive and well? Yeah, I'm still sleepy, so
play it slow. I said I know the dance. Now every green candle
probably won't be in the New York stream for very long. I have to go
gold chains.
take a 2-hour drive to have my Decra stuff done today.
One clean run up and a brighter day. If the numbers hold, then I'll sing, I swear. I'm already dreaming of a life I pay. Wake me up when I'm paid. Wake me up when I'm paid. I'm in love with the trade. I'm in love with the trade. No stop loss tonight. I'm a winner. I'm saved. Wake me up when I'm paid. Wake me up when I'm paid.
It looks like oil's going back up now.
I see us in Fiji, bare feet in the sand. You in a white dress.
Lock in $50 here,
We trade
just in case it does pull back
the
now.
whole world fade. Sunset on our faces and a cool lemonade. Let the market move, let it swing my name. I've got my heart on a dividend and we'll fly away. I'm
Interesting.
already living in the afterpay. Wake me up when I'm paid. Wake me up when I'm
No, my stop loss order didn't go through. Well, that's a shame.
I'm in love with a trade.
Oh wait, yeah, I did. I only did it for 5.
With a trade. No stop loss tonight. I'm a winner. I'm saved. Wake me up when I'm paid. Wake me up when I'm paid. If the morning comes and the red turns blue, I'll be grinning wide, thinking only of you. No looking back when the river runs gold. I can taste that future sweet and bold. Wake me up when I'm paid. Wake
Let's
me
put another 2 contracts in on this oil long.
I'm in love with the trade. I'm in love with the trade. No
And another 2.
loss tonight. I'm a winner. I'm saved. Wake me up when I'm paid. Wake me up when I'm paid.
Good morning, Tim. Hope you're doing well today.
I met you on the screen with a cup of black coffee, charts on the globe, and your laugh coming softly. You said play it slow. I said I know the dance. Now every green candle feels just like romance. I don't need gold chains, I just need my way. One clean run up and a brighter day. If the numbers hold, then I'll sing, I swear. I'm already dreaming of a life I pay. Wake me up when I'm paid.
Take any trades in the overnight, Tim?
Wake me up when I'm paid. I'm in love with the trade. I'm in love with the trade. No stop loss tonight. I'm a winner. I'm saved. Wake me up when I'm paid.
Looking at the book map, it looks like oil has got orders up above at $88. There's 100 orders there. There's a few orders underneath us, but not a whole hell of a lot. I'm gonna stay in this for a little while longer.
You in a white dress, holding my hand. We trade by the
Did manage to take a little bit of profits off it before it came down, so I'm still up about $100.
sunset on our faces and a cool lemonade. Let the market move, let it swing.
Too.
I've got my heart on a dividend flame. One more good week and we'll fly away. I'm already living in the afterpay. Wake me up when I'm paid. Wake me up when I'm paid. I'm in love with a trade. I'm in
Oh, wow. Went to turn on the stream, went back to the chart, and TP hit already. That's awesome.
I met you on the screen with a cup of black coffee, charts on the globe, and your laugh coming softly. You said play it slow, I said I know the dance. Now every green candle feels just like romance. I don't need gold chains, I just need my way. One clean run up and a brighter day. If the numbers hold, then I'll sing, I swear. I'm already dreaming of.
Ooh, I'm down 300 on this so far. Not a great start to a morning. Skiller took a small scalp on that MQ long. Let's see what this does for the next few. I was expecting the price to get back up to $88. We're at $87.30 right now.
You in a white dress, holding my hand. We trade by the sea, let the whole world fade. Sunset on our faces and a cool lemonade. Let the market move, let it swing my name. I've got my heart.
Got more orders coming in on the book map up above the current price. But we're getting some selling volume balls. I think it might be people taking profits right now. Alright, now I'm only down 206. That's a little bit better. Still red, but not as red. Look to the left at the perfect moment. Beautiful. Hey, good morning, Jerry. How you doing? Yeah, a bunch of those orders came off underneath. Next target on this oil long is $88. 87.48 right now. Got 52 cents to go before I take profits on this. That's if it doesn't pull back and stop me out. Needed to push through this bearish fair value gap, and then it should be in the clear if it can make it through that bearish fair value gap.
You said play it slow. I said I know the dance. Now every green candle feels just like romance. I don't need gold chains, I just need.
Do have a bunch of algo orders over here. I think they're trying to pull price down right now.
If the numbers hold, then I'll sing, I swear. I'm already dreaming of a life I pay. Wake me up when I'm paid.
I got $500 worth of risk on this one.
Wake me up when I'm paid.
If I have to cut it early, I will.
I'm in love with the trade. I'm in love with the trade. No stop loss tonight. I'm a winner, I'm safe. Wake me up when I'm paid. Wake me up when I'm paid.
We are in the middle of a 15-minute bullish fair value gap.
Bare feet in the sand. You in a white dress, holding my hand. We trade by the sea, let the whole world fade. Sunset on our faces and a cool lemonade. Let the market move, let it swing my name. I've got my heart on a dividend flame. One more good week and we'll fly away. I'm already living in the afterpay. Wake me up when I'm paid. Wake me up when I'm paid. I'm in love with the trade. I'm in love with the trade. No stop loss tonight. I'm a winner, I'm safe. Wake me up when I'm paid.
Anybody in any oil trades? If so, be careful.
When I'm paid.
Currently down 260, 270.
If the morning comes and the rain,
So just fade what I'm doing and you should be alright.
I'll be grinning wide, thinking only of you. No looking back when the river runs gold. I can taste that future sweet and bold. Wake me up when I'm paid. Wake me up when I'm paid. I'm in love with the trade. I'm in love with the trade. No stop loss tonight. I'm a winner, I'm saved. Wake me up when I'm paid. Wake me up.
Silver prices are edging higher right now.
I met you on the screen cup of black coffee, charts on the globe, and your laugh coming softly. You said play it slow, I said I know the dance. Now every green candle feels just like romance. I don't need gold chains, I just need my way. One clean run up and a brighter day. If the numbers hold, then I'll sing, I swear. I'm already dreaming of a life I pay. Wake me up when I'm paid. Wake me up when I'm paid. I'm in love with the trade. I'm in love with the trade. No stop loss tonight. I'm a winner, I'm safe. Wake me up when I'm paid. Wake me up when I'm paid. I see us in Fiji, bare feet in the sand. You in a white dress, holding my hand. We trade by the sea, let the whole world fade. Sunset on our faces and a cool lemonade. Let the market move, let it swing my name. I've got my heart on a dividend.
All right, Jerry, Skeletor, Tim, Electron. Everybody green today, I hope.
Trade. No stop loss tonight. I'm a winner, I'm safe. Wake me up when I'm paid. Wake me up when I'm paid. If the morning comes and the red turns blue, I'll be grinning wide, thinking only of you. No looking back when the river runs.
Look, we're getting some buying pressure on oil again here.
That future sweet and bold. Wake me up.
Tape is actually reading pretty bullish right now. We got buy orders coming on pretty significantly. Probably going to fight it out at 87.50.
No stop loss tonight. I'm a winner, I'm saved. Wake me up when I'm paid.
Yep, there it is.
Wake me up.
Bunch of orders coming off and on right there at at 87.50. Let's watch this go up now. Hit in the middle of that bearish fair value gap again.
I met you on the screen with a cup of black coffee, charts on the globe, and your laugh coming softly. You said play it slow, I said I know the dance. Now every green candle feels just like romance. I don't need gold chains, I just need my way. One clean run up and a brighter day. If the
It looks like the sellers won the fight at 87.50. But I think there's going to be another one here.
already dreaming of a life I pay. Wake me up when I'm paid. Wake me up when I'm paid. I'm in love with the trade. I'm in love with the trade. No stop loss tonight. I'm a winner. I'm safe. Wake me up when I'm paid.
Small green and comfy for now. It's not a bad place to be. I like comfy. Comfy is good.
I see us in Fiji, bare feet in
So as of right now, I am $16 in the green.
holding my hand. We trade by the sea, let the whole world fade.
This trade plays out the way I think it's going to.
On our faces,
It should be a few hundred up.
let the market move, let it swing my name. I've got my heart on a dividend flame. One more good week and we'll fly away. I'm already living in the afterpay. Wake me up when I'm paid. Wake me up when I'm paid. I'm in love with a trade. I'm in love with the trade. No stop loss tonight. I'm a winner. I'm safe. Wake me up when I'm
That's at 87.50 level. That's just being a pain in the butt right now.
up when I'm paid.
Just a constant fight.
If the morning comes and the red turns blue, I'll be grinning wide, thinking only of you. No looking back when the river runs gold. I can taste
Oh, now I'm down $70.
sweet and
Uh-oh.
bold. Wake me up when I'm paid. Wake me up when I'm paid. I'm in love with the trade. I'm in love with the trade. No stop loss tonight. I'm a winner. I'm saved. Wake me up when I'm paid. Wake me up when I'm paid. I met you on the screen with a cup of black coffee, charts on the globe, and your laugh coming softly. You said play it slow. I said I know the dance. Now every green candle feels just like romance. I don't need gold chains, I just need my way. One clean run up and a brighter day. If the numbers hold, then I'll sing, I swear. I'm already dreaming of a life I pay. Wake me up when I'm paid. Wake me up when I'm paid.
So you put this on the 1 minute or the 30-second chart. Is that micromanagement? It's kind of what I feel like.
I see us in Fiji, bare feet in the sand. You in a white dress, holding my hand. We trade by the sea, let the whole world fade. Sunset on our faces and a cool lemonade.
Got some lightning storms going on over here right now. Don't rain yet. Yeah, it's probably going to happen within the next couple hours. I have a 2-hour drive to go to Nicoya for a DECRA thing, so of course it's probably going to pour the whole time I'm driving.
I'm already living in the afterpay. Wake me up when I'm paid.
Come on, oil, push up for me.
No stop loss tonight. I'm a winner. I'm safe. Wake me up when I'm paid. Wake me up when I'm paid.
So ES and NQ are all in have all been in a downtrend through the overnight. YM has been mixed.
When the river runs gold, I can taste that future sweet and bold. Wake me up when I'm paid. Wake me up when I'm paid.
I'm out of this. I am done. Tempted to take, just wait and see if I can get a better entry price on this for another long, but I'm gonna wait for a few. Alright, I'm still down 250 on the day.
I met you on the screen with a cup of black coffee, charts on the globe, and your laugh coming softly. You said play it slow, I said I know the dance. Now every green candle feels just like romance. I don't need gold chains, I just need my way. One clean run up and a brighter day. If the numbers hold, then I'll sing, I swear. I'm already dreaming of a life I pay. Wake me up when I'm paid. Wake me up when I'm paid. I'm in love with the trade. I'm in love with the trade. No stop loss tonight. I'm a winner, I'm safe. Wake me up when I'm paid.
I did try and just get a better price on this. Got in at 87.13 with 2 micros, and this one I will cut very, very short if it starts going against me.
You in a trade by the sea, let the whole world fade. Sunset on our faces and a cool lemonade. Let the market move, let it swing my name. I've got my heart on a dividend flame.
Okay, we got 182 orders up at $90 on gold right now, or on oil right now.
I'm already living in the afterpay. Wake me up when I'm paid. Wake me up when I'm paid. I'm in love with a trade. I'm in love with the trade. No stop loss tonight. I'm a winner.
Hey, good morning, Keith.
Wake me up when I'm paid.
Does that mean your internet can go out? No, I actually have a battery pack right now. So everything should be good.
Morning comes and the red turns blue. I'll be grinning wide, thinking only of you. No looking back when the river runs gold. I can taste that future sweet and bold. Wake me up when I'm paid. Wake me
So I'm currently in the red by $250 for the day.
I'm in love with
I'm in another oil long.
I'm in love with the trade.
Ooh, if this $87 doesn't hold, I'm cutting it.
No stop loss tonight. I'm a winner. I'm saved. Wake me up when I'm paid. Wake me up when I'm
It's kind of looking like that's where the fight's going to be this time.
I met you on the screen with a cup of black coffee, charts on the globe, and your laugh coming softly. You said play it slow, I said I know the dance. Now every green candle feels just like romance.
I think I've heard that song a couple too many times so far this morning.
My iguana don't care. He don't really care what stocks you trade or how much Bitcoin you have. My iguana don't care.
And like I said, if this price breaks down below $87, I'm cutting out of this.
Aboard in a Sunday sunbath. My iguana don't care. My
Take a small $30 loss and add it to my $250.
or a pussy down there. My iguana don't care. My iguana don't care. He blinks slow at you.
The Brent prices went up to $95. The U.S. crude ended up at $88.60 last night. I did have a limit order in that didn't get picked up for a long.
No need for a flex.
Excuse me.
No need for a pose.
Very sad about that.
Need for a check. If you
If that order did get picked up, I might retire. I might be retired now. What's process like for your residency there? Residency here, it's very easy to get if you just buy a home. If not, you can come here just with your passport, stay for 6 months, leave for a week, and come back. All right, we just got above 87.10. Boom. Keep going up.
My iguana don't care. It don't really care what stocks you trade or how much.
So yeah, if you're thinking about moving down here, residency is pretty easy.
It just on the branch, cool as a board in a Sunday sunbath. My iguana.
If you prefer Europe and you happen to be of Italian descent, it's very easy to get residency there as well. And have an Italian passport in about, I think, a year. Cutting this, taking a $30 loss now. So down 280, 284.50 for the day.
No need for a flex, no need for a pose, no need for.
That is across 15 accounts, so. About $3 grand, $3,500. No, more than that. I can't do math right now. So down 4,267.50. You need a direct line in for Italy. If your grandparents were born there, you can get citizenship quickly. Alright, so I'm not going to take a trade for a little while, but I am going to look at some levels here. We got, ooh, thank you, still coming down, damn. Alright, is Austin's indicator, and we got previous day's low, 28,700. London low was just made at $29,004.50. Previous day's value area low is at $29,060.75. Previous day's point of control is at 29,158. The London high is just 20 points above that, 29,173.50. Yesterday's initial balance, 29,246.75. Value area high is 29,310.50. Asia high 337.25, and the previous day high was at 363.50. So much for hitting all-time highs again this month. Those are way up there, 31,000 even. Almost. 30,967.75. Sorry, I looked at the line and not the number. You know, Skeletor wanted to see those. Yeah, if you want to see if you're Italian in any way, just look at your hands. When you're talking, if you move them a lot, there's something there. Stereotypes can be funny. Don't get all butthurt about it there, Jerry. If any of my cousins are watching, shut the fuck up. Tim put himself in a timeout. 1 loss, 2 wins. Alright. I'm in a timeout right now. I had 2 losses, so I'm gonna go grab some coffee. I'll be back.
My iguana don't care. It don't really care what stocks you trade or how much Bitcoin you have. My iguana don't care. It just on the branch, cool as a board in a Sunday sunbath. My iguana don't care. My iguana don't care. If you got a keck or a pussy down there, my iguana don't care. My iguana don't care. He blinks slow at you like he ain't really there. My iguana don't care. No need for a flex, no need for a pose, no need for a check. If you got the wrong time, a part in your hair, he give one long stare, then he goes somewhere. My iguana don't care. My iguana don't care. If you got
sit on the chair. He keep on a chill with that lizardy flair. No fight, no fuss, no hurry, no fear. Just my iguana don't care when the day run clear. My iguana don't care. My iguana don't care. If you got a cat or a pussy down there, my iguana don't care. My iguana don't care. He blinks slow at you like he ain't really there.
Puerto Ricans do the same? Yeah, my Aunt Olga does that. My Uncle Dom ended up marrying a woman from Puerto Rico. The kids have the best hair on the planet, holy shit. I do move my hands, but it's mostly from being a project manager in construction.
My iguana don't care. He don't
I've dealt with general contractors.
what stocks you trade.
Not much
How
fun.
much Bitcoin you have. My iguana don't care. It just on the branch. Cool as a board in a
NQ's pushing up a little bit now.
My iguana,
Got to the working point of control.
my iguana don't care.
Rejected off the previous day's value area high though.
Or a pussy down there. My iguana,
5-minute chart.
my iguana.
Yeah, look to the left.
He blinks slow at you like he ain't really there.
Well, NQ is above the low day VWAP, but that's about it. Still in a strong downtrend. Yeah, it's just been dumping all night. My wife asked me what kind of music I'm listening to. All songs about iguanas, apparently. Here you go, have another one.
I live in Costa Rica because that's where I'm settled. I like it in the heat and I can't find nothing better. I live with a guy named Nick and I don't know where I met him. Lately I've been
Yeah, I love watching general contractors having conversations with engineers and architects. That's the best. You just sit back and watch. Occasionally, if it gets a little bit too heated, you just ask, hey, you guys, you want to get a room? It's a hotel down the way.
You wanna see me kick it? You wanna see me comb tail and I'm looking pretty wicked. You wanna see me move? You wanna see me kick it?
So Hectron, your wife doesn't like the music or is just amused by it? I find it amusing. The new song in the AI one is Dogs in Space. And I think that's all about Dave and Clee. I'll listen to it a little bit right before I popped on the stream here, but there are 94 orders on MNQ right now, and some of them just came off. let's say 29,060, but it looks like those are going to get eaten. Now there's 116 there, 122, 50% of those are all from one source, so. See how it acts with 160. If it pushes through it really hard, I wouldn't mind taking a long. If it rejects off it, I wouldn't mind taking a short. I am doing, okay, so I'm doing an ocean cleanup project, and it's Dave referred to it as the Save the Turtles Plastic-Free Oceans thing. So, yeah. There's a QR code up in the top of this if you want to check it out. Turtles, Mustangs, and iguanas. I mean, honestly, where I'm at right now, that's kind of appropriate. Horses everywhere. I've got 6 iguanas in my backyard right now. They're all just kind of hanging out and being friendly with each other at the moment.
You wanna see me move, you wanna see me kick it, you wanna see me go tail and I'm looking pretty wicked. You wanna see me move.
Yeah, the beaches over here are great too. They got sea turtle rescue program in Montezuma where they do releases. They end up taking all the eggs, putting them inside an enclosure, and keeping them safe from the coates and every other animal that tries to dig them up and eat them. And then, after they're hatched, they have releases on the beach where it's fun. It's basically like a sea turtle race. Watching baby sea turtles trying to cross the sand to get to the ocean, while 20 or 30 people keeping the vultures and the hawks and grackles away from them. Some people down here have their dogs to actually chase the birds away from the turtles, which is amazing. I don't think the human race actually deserves dogs. Those things are too damn cool for us. Who came up with this animal imagery? I mean, that one? That was Jerry.
You wanna see me move, you wanna see me kick it, you wanna see me go tail and I'm looking pretty wicked. You wanna see me move, you wanna see me kick it.
Yeah, we got an NQ rejection off of 29,067. See if it pushes through 44.
Lately I've been thinking about iguana Armageddon. Lately I've been thinking about iguana Armageddon.
If it pushes through the 44, I'm thinking there's going to be another another push down.
Lately I've been thinking about iguana Armageddon. Iguana Armageddon. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Oh, it's fighting at 44. Alright. This is where it gets fun, people.
I live in Costa Rica because that's where I'm settled. I like it in the heat and I can't find nothing better. I live with a guy named Mick and I don't know where I met him. Lately I've been thinking about iguana, I'ma get him. If they fucking with nature and I ain't gonna let them. Lately I've been thinking about iguana, I'ma get him. What I'm gonna do, you think I'm gonna tell him? It's just that. Lately I've been thinking about iguana, I'ma get him.
Skeletor likes the Iguana Armageddon the best.
Wanna see me kick it? Wanna see me kick it? You wanna see me go?
3-minute MES big time dip buying, 742. Start of accumulation.
You wanna see me kick it?
Wish I was more of an ocean person. The movie Soul really messed it up for me. Never seen it. Not sure I want to. I'm at the age where Jaws really messed up, going to the beaches and well, that and when I was a kid, New York had not the best beaches in the world to go and hang out at. Rockaway Beach was hypodermic beach. New Dork Beach, I walked out into that thing when I was like 5, 6 years old. Came back, I had a jellyfish and tar stuck to me. That wasn't fun at all. Alright, I just took an NQ long. My entry price was, where is it? 29,058. Just 2 micros. I'm locking in 15 bucks in profit right now. Again, though, we're having a little bit of a fight right at 29,068. Alright, I took my $15 on that. Oh boy, I'm rich. A similar movie based on a true story. About a giant killer shark and the need of a bigger boat. Is she in Costa Rica? Because I actually know someone here who lost an arm and still surfs. Or is it that Hawaiian lady who got attacked by a tiger shark, I think it was? You gotta be a badass woman if you're gonna get attacked by a shark and then continue to surf. You're a hell of a lot tougher than I am. There you go, Hectron. We'll do a Mustang Tropical. Charlie Don't Surf. Actually have a patch on my leather vest that says Charlie Don't Surf. I wanted to find a sticker to put on my motorcycle helmet, but morning, Aunt Gia. Yes, there are. So previous day's value area low was 29,060, 60.75. Right now we have orders 29,070. 64 orders at 29,100. There are more orders above the current price than below, but there's not a whole hell of a lot of volume right now, and the CBD on MNQ from the time that I opened it at 7 a.m. is negative 2,800. 2,900 now. So be mindful of that. I'm gonna take a nice fun fall trip on a motorcycle. I'm gonna ride from Detroit to Washington State, and then to Oregon, and then from Oregon to Mexico to Guatemala, and then go through Guatemala and end up in Costa Rica. That is going to be a fun ride. MNQ is dropping. Oh, I picked up my order. No shit. All right. So I have one micro in at 29,044.25. And I'm going to lock in at, and that's a short. I'm locking in 5 points. Not mad about that. Yeah, it should be fun. and wanting to drive from California to New York and visit national parks on the way. I did that every year for a while. I like outdoorsy shit, so, you know, tents and backpacks and whatnot. My plan was to actually not come to Costa Rica. It was to just buy an RV and drive all over the US and Canada, hit all the national parks, and then basically throw a dart at a map and see where I ended up wanting to live. But I'm driving an RV into national parks now during the beginning of Trump's second presidency. National parks lost a lot of funding. So that put a big old damper on that plan. I got my profits locked in at $29,027.50. Not sure if this NQ is going to continue down, but either I'm going to make 35 bucks or I'm going to make a little bit more than 35 bucks. These accounts, I'm actually green without this trade by $115 on these 20 accounts. Is looking like NQ wants to pull up a little bit, but most of the orders are still below us. We got 40 of them down at 29,010. We got 73 at 29,000. All right, I made 35 bucks on that. And you had one micro short at 29,054. I never asked, if I may, how long you've been living in Costa Rica? About a year now. I'm just doing the homeless trader thing and staying in Airbnbs and traveling around. Been here the longest out of any of the places. Was in the Caribbean, hit all of the two larger cities, San Jose and Cartago. Was in Tamarindo for a minute. That was no thank you. Yeah, sorry, brother. On behalf of all the white people out there, we don't all think that way. We're in the hide your kids, hide your wife era of ICE. At least for brown people. Yep. So my son's girlfriend is Mexican American. He went to an all Mexican school in Southwest Detroit. Speaks fluent Spanish. You get him going and he sounds like a cholo. It's freaking hilarious. But his girlfriend's mother and grandmother taught at that school. It's the Academy of the Americas. And one day the principal locked down the school because they had ICE vans outside of the school trying to get kids to get into the van. her whole family is pretty much terrified that some shit's gonna happen with ICE. So we got Mexicans in here, Puerto Ricans. Can any of you brothers help me out with my Spanish? I went to Japan, I learned Japanese in like a month because I had to. Come to Costa Rica, you start speaking Spanish, and immediately people start speaking English to you. It's like, no, stop. I don't want you speaking Spanish to me, or English to me. I want to learn Spanish. Oh, hell yeah, Hectron. Appreciate it. Luckily, I know enough white people to know it's not a white people thing. There's bad people. Yeah, well, yeah, it's true. But historically speaking, honestly, historically speaking, white people are kind of fucked up. You don't believe me? Well, look at every Russian leader ever. The English Empire. Let's find brown people and just take everything they... The Spanish. Christopher Columbus ended up finding the Caribbean, and then after that, shortly thereafter, it was, oh, well, we can take everything these people have and they can't stop us. So let's do it. England comes over here, pushes all the natives west and further west and then further west, and then it got worse from there. Yeah, Argentinian history is not something you want to read if you don't want to be depressed. Even Costa Rica, Panama, Guatemala, the Banana Republic is not just a shitty clothing store. That's all I'm going to say on that subject, because I'll get angry. I know I'm a dirty liberal, but I just kind of have this feeling that you shouldn't basically enslave people for business purposes and force them to live in company housing, use company stores, and engineer it so they can't save money and get out of a bad situation, while also taking all of their land and resources and screwing their families for 10 to 20 generations after your arrival. I know, I'm a libtard. What do you want? Yeah, there's some shit going on in Nicaragua right now. The Knicks and the Ticos are always, going head to head. We got the police here that actually just stopped randomly in the middle of the street and put up cones and check people's passports and licenses. A lot of the Israelis in the more wealthy areas here, like Santa Teresa and Tamarindo, will hire Nicaraguans to do all of their work, pay them a third of what the Ticos would get paid. They don't have to pay for their health insurance and their social security stuff like they do. Anytime you hire a Tico here, you gotta pay into the system for their retirement, their health insurance, all of that. But the Israelis just hire Nicaraguans that cross the border and literally pay them a third of what the Ticos would be paid here. And then they save money on the taxes and social security and all that other stuff that they have to pay. It's also the reason why Santa Teresa is so damn expensive right now. I looked at a house over there not too long ago, and they're asking $1.4 million for a 3-bedroom house with a shitty view in a neighborhood that I could hear the neighbors talking on their back deck, which that shit's not for me. Alright, I got my NQ long in here at 29,825. It's a locked in 2 points profit. I'm expecting a bounce here, but we shall see. It's only 1 micro. I'm not getting into anything crazy. Oh, look at that. I made $5. Skeletor, gotta go to your doctor's appointment. Alright, we will see you tomorrow. Good luck at the doctor's appointment. I'm crossing my fingers that you're not going for a sigmoidoscopy. And if you are, check your doctor's wrists. If he's wearing a Rolex Colon Master, just get the hell out of there. Oh, from where I'm at, Nicaragua's a 4.5, 5-hour drive. I'm at the southern tip of the Nicoya Peninsula right now, so it's a little ways. All right, that's good to hear, Skeletor. Skeletor, you're leaving me here with all these Mexicans and Puerto Ricans? I get mugged. Gonna make me listen to weird music. And probably eat some good food. That's the one thing I don't understand. How can, if you're living in America and you don't want the brown people there, you really should stop going into the restaurants and partaking of all of their beautiful cultural stuff, because you're just a hypocrite at that point. Go into Southwest Detroit and walk into any of the locally owned restaurants or anything. They're just amazing. Good music and good food and nice people. Yeah, why in the hell would we want that?
got money. Nick bought a truck, he could have bought a car and a plane and a new guitar. Whoa, Nick Money got money. Clocker said what? A pussy and a butt. Clocker said what?
So,
A pussy and
Hectron and Jerry, only joking about the Mexican and Puerto Rican thing. I know y'all love me.
What you said out loud. Whoa, money got
But if you want to give me your grandma's recipe for tamales, I will take it happily.
let it ring. Whoa, Nick Money got money. Whoa, money got money.
Shit, I'd be willing to pay for that.
Money got money. Scott Jopin, Deng Xiaoping, they all over there. The whole damn gang. Whoa, Nick Money got money.
Every once in a while, my son would come home from his girlfriends and they're like, "Oh,
Hands in the air, dust on
Grandma made
everywhere.
made tamales. Do you want some?" I could have just eaten 1.5 pounds of pasta, and I'd be like, "Yes, please."
A pussy and a butt. Clocker said what? A pussy and a butt. Whoa, say it one more time. Whoa, pound that
Yeah, I didn't think you would be. Just busting your balls over here. Gotta do something in the morning to keep myself entertained.
money. Hit that line, let it ring. Whoa, Nick Money got money. Whoa, money got money.
So one thing I did learn about the
Money.
Mexicans from the area where my son's girl is from is
Let it roll.
most of them want their grandkids to marry white people who speak Spanish. And the lighter their grandkids are, the happier they are. Which I thought was really weird. But
Nick Money got money. Whoa, money got money. Whoa, Nick Money got money.
yeah, the Mexicans are with the tamales.
Whoa, Nick Money got money.
Empanadillas? Yeah. Okay. I'll take them. Bring them over. Please and thank you. I really like food. If you didn't know this about me, I'm actually surprised that I'm not like 450 pounds right now.
Nick bought a truck, he could have bought a car and a plane and a new guitar. Whoa, Nick Money got money. Clocker said what?
For years, I was on a 6,000 calorie a day diet.
Clocker said what? A pussy and a butt. Whoa, who you talking
And there's a couple that I don't have any interest in, but yeah, most of them.
Say it out loud. Whoa, money got money. Whoa, Nick Money
Every culture is interesting and worth learning about.
let it ring. Whoa, Nick Money got money.
I was having a discussion with somebody about this because a lot of the
Nick Money got money.
far-right politicians are talking about universities indoctrinating people. And
Whoa, Nick Money got money.
anybody who's gone to a university can tell you right off, if they have half the brains they were born with, university is not trying to indoctrinate you. What happens is if you take a bunch of young people from different cultures and economic backgrounds and geographical locations and you put them all together and they're open-minded enough to actually learn about each other and get used to each other's differences, culturally, I mean everything, you become a lot more sympathetic to the people around you. And you understand that your way isn't the only way. It's not indoctrination. It's just the fact that you've been exposed to a lot of different people. Hopefully those people aren't exposing themselves to you, but that's a different thing that happens on islands with rich people and senators. But yeah, the more people you're around from different walks of life,
Let it roll. Nick got fire in his soul.
the more you feel comfortable with it, and the less you care.
Whoa, Nick Money got money. Press it hard, let it sting.
Went to college with a
Nick Money
with the class for 4 years, 29 countries. Yeah, exactly. So I have an Uncle Frankie too. Now, maybe it's the same one. And I'm sorry for your Uncle Frankie. He looks like me. Oof. He ain't a pretty man. I hope he's funny and smart. Alright, we got some buying pressure here on NQ. There are orders up above us at 29,070. CBD is still down at negative 2,700. Don't hate the idea of longs right now. Not taking one yet, but wait for a pullback. It is 9:10, so
got money. Boots on wood, hands in the air, dust on the floor, praise everywhere. Every step says he made it through. Every clap sounds loud for you. Clocker said, what?
At times he's a mechanic, retired dude is like 66, 67. Yeah, my Uncle Frankie's quite a bit older than that.
Got money. Hit that line, let it ring. Whoa, Nick Money got money. Whoa, money got money. Whoa, Nick Money got money. Stomp bills, claps in the cracks. Heel toe in, the whole place snaps. Shot it back, let it roll. Nick got fire in his soul.
Feel like my nephew will be pretty much saying the same thing about me. Yeah, I got an uncle, he's sometimes a mechanic, he trades futures and is basically retired. And he probably thinks I'm 66, 67. Nick Money got money. Money got money. Oh, Nick Money got money. Oh, hey, money got money. Oh, Nick Money got money. Nick bought a truck. He could have bought a car and a plane and a new guitar. Oh, Nick Money got money. Clocker said what? A pussy and a butt. Clocker said what? A pussy and a butt. Oh, the price action this week has been horrible. The overnights and the London session have been so much easier than New York. Trying to get long in MNQ, just wait for the right time. Yeah, that's what I'm waiting for, is that right time. And if you look at what we got right here, first negative, the -1 deviation band that's directly above the current price. You got a point of control, right, a working point of control right here. I would like to get a long, either off this point of control or off the -2 standard deviation band and take it all the way back up to VWAP. I do have a feeling that price is going to go up after the open because, you know, market manipulation and all that jazz. So it does look like Price is pushing up a little bit right now. We got more orders coming on at 29,100.
Got fire in his soul. Whoa, money got money. Whoa, Nick, money got money. Press it hard, let it sting. Whoa, Nick, money got money. Whoa, money got money. Whoa, Nick, money got money. Room shaking, doubles on the wing. Whoa, Nick, money got money.
MES goes short today again. I might just give up for the week. It's been showing me long for the past 2 days, but it's playing games. Well, part of that is because the price of oil it started chopping and then it shot straight up. Oil does have an effect on YM, MQ, and the ES. Usually when oil is going up, the other three go down. Usually. This is not 100% of the time, but if I see oil going up, price is going to be affected by it, is the thought in my head. And that can be a sign just to stay the hell out. Because it's not 100%, you've got oil going up, you've got stock prices going up as well, which the oil prices going up should be pushing everything down, but stock prices going up is pulling everything up. They're not in sync whatsoever. Now, when we look at Alphabet's earnings today, that's going to have an effect on the markets, but those aren't going to be until the end of the day. So by tomorrow morning, the dust will have already settled.
Got fire in his soul. Whoa, money got money. Whoa, Nick, money got money. Press it hard, let it sting. Whoa, Nick, money got money. Whoa, money got money.
Here's a push up on NQ. So I have 4 micros in, 29,064.50. Locked in 3 points. Not sure how long this is going to last, but we got the market New York open in 13 minutes, so I don't really want to risk anything more than that. Green so far, but maybe Asia will be the distribution then. Maybe. Let's see what all the earnings look like for today. See what kind of nonsense happens with the price of oil, and if there's any geopolitical nonsense, which there's going to be. I mean, it's a day that ends in Y. So somebody's going to be upset about something. Somebody's going to start shooting at somebody they're not supposed to, and which is pretty much anyone. Yep, stopped me out, made 35 bucks. All right.
Every step says he made it through. Every clap sound loud for you.
All right, so on these accounts, I'm up 138.50. On the other accounts, I'm down 250 or something like that. So doing too bad. Say made 37 bucks. You know what? It's 37 bucks we didn't have before. So I'm all right with that. All right, oil is starting to drop here. Down at 86.55 right now.
Money got money. Whoa, Nick, money got money. Press it hard, let it sting. Whoa, Nick, money got money. Whoa, money got money. Whoa, Nick, money got money. Room shaking, doubles on the wing. Whoa, Nick, money got money.
Thanks, Skeletor. So it says, I just noticed the orange man has been tweeting in the last half hour, going a little nuts. Be careful. I'm not greedy. 20 and up, I'm taking even 10. Yeah, I mean, those $20 trades add up. And they add up faster than you think they do. Pretty decent wicks of the past 2 4-hour candles on MES. I wonder if I can just Google search what the hell is tweeting about now.
Ping, they all over there, the whole damn gang. Whoa, Nick Money got money. Boots on wood, hands in the air, dust on the floor, praise everywhere. Every step says he made it through. Every clap sound loud for you. Clocker said, what? A pussy and a butt. Clocker said, what?
The Saudis reach a deal with the U.S. that could let them enrich nuclear fuel. U.S. renews strikes on Iran as Trump threatens to attack Pickaxe Mountain. Judge rules that Trump must hand over records sought by BBC in defamation case. And he says he will start imposing tariffs on generic drugs starting in August of 2028. That's lovely. So again, making healthcare for people in the U.S. more expensive yet again. Will the greatness ever end? All this greatness has actually been a little bit painful. It's kind of hard to take. All right, we got 7 minutes until the New York Open. Every time Iran shoots a ship, the U.S. will bomb a bridge or a power plant. So I know that he was not a politician prior to his presidency, but I mean, he does understand that bombing of civilian infrastructure is, well, I mean, just morally, well, we can't discuss morals with that plot. But has anyone described to him or Hexa what a war crime actually is? Like, did they inform them of this shit? Or just kind of let them go hog wild? Alright, I'm gonna go and grab some more coffee before New York opens. We still got 5 minutes, so I'll be back shortly. And I'm back. Got my oil long in. 86.37. All right. It is 9:29. Down $6 on that oil. NQ looks like it's coming up a bit. My NQ long is working out for me from pre-market. Up $60 on single micro. Locking in 35. See where this goes. Locked in 35 on my NQ trade on 20 accounts. And I got 15 on 15 accounts on an oil trade long. And my stop loss is at 86.17. He's pulling back a little bit now. Just gonna leave my stop loss in there. If it gets taken, I made $30, $35. But it's climbing. Alright, I'm gonna lock in another 10 for 45. We got a little bit of resistance on NQ at the 130 level, but it managed to push up through it. We'll lock in another $20. No matter what, I make $60 on this trade. Up 136 so far on NQ. Lock in 75 now. And I'm cutting my oil trade for a $30 loss. Locking in 85 now. Come on, NQ, keep going up. There we go. Alright, we still do have orders up above at 29,200, 29,187, 175. Not looking like a horrible trade. Stay in it for a bit. Locking in $90. Anybody in the trade right now? Just added one micro to this. Now I've only got $60 locked in. Gotta make sure it's got enough room to breathe. Oh, added in at the wrong time. Alright, I made $60. Oil started to come back up off the New York session low, 86.14. I was hoping that NQ would have gone through VWAP and just continued higher. It didn't. I still made $60 on that, so I will remain happy. Locking in $20. Oh, sorry, I took another NQ long at 134.50. Locking in $20. Up 45.50. And I'm out. We've got out 30 points on that first candle on NQ. Good job. Yeah, it's looking like we're going to be fighting the VWAP here. If it breaks through VWAP, we're going to, well, at least I'm going to be long if it manages to break through VWAP. It does look like it's trying. Get a little bit of a pullback right now, but Today's that day when I wish I was good at using a reverse button. I'm not though, so I'm not even going to attempt it. I'm in another long 2 micros, locking in 15. In 50. Wow, can you get through that VWAP? Come on. Nope. Closed that one out, made 85 bucks on it. Good morning to be scalping. Love this 1 minute chart here. So I took a long here, got closed here, took another long on this candle, closed it up here. This is the current candle, I'm not in anything yet. So in this strong overnight downtrend, New York Open, I just made 3 winning trades, all on longs, closed them at or, well, I got stopped out on one in profit and then closed the other ones out at the VWAP, so. Wait for another bit of a pullback here. And then another NQ long. My stop loss down at, well, no, I'm moving it up. Locked in 10 bucks. And I'm out at VWAP. All right. Scalpy, scalpy.
My iguana don't care.
Victron, that's for your wife. Just put the iguana song back on.
What stocks you trade or how much Bitcoin you have. My iguana don't care. It's just on the branch. Cool as a board in a Sunday sunbath. My iguana don't care. My iguana don't care.
Alright, now I'm in a long. Broke through the VWAP, locked in 10 bucks right now. Added one contract to it, locking in 10 bucks. Alright, I made 10 bucks. This is how this is gonna go. I'm just gonna make 10 bucks at a time. I'm gonna try and do that 100 times.
My iguana don't care. No need for a flex. No need for a pose.
Alright, I got 2 micros then long. Oh shit. I'm literally making 20 bucks, 10 bucks at a time here, just scalping this. Every single pullback it's come down. I'm throwing on a single micro and letting that candle come back up. And this is just risk management at this point. I got 1 more micro in, just locked in 25, and this time I'm gonna let it go for a bit. Adding another micro to it. Now I've only got 15 locked in because I added a micro to it. Want to have a little bit of wiggle room for this, just in case it does want to continue going up. Looking like it might. We are above VWAP. We're heading up towards the standard 1 deviation band right now, but we are also right at the top of a value area high. And push through that value area high. And also the standard 1 deviation band. Still good for longs. Alright, I did just take one of those micros off, so I got another 50 bucks in profit. Looks like we did get a little bit of a rejection off of that value area high.
No need for a flex, no need for a pose, no need for a check. If you got the wrong time, a part in your hair.
Just put in 3 micros long on this little pullback.
Or sit on the chair, he keep on a chill with that lizardy flair. No fight, no fuss, no hurry, no fear. Just my
big old wick on this 5-minute candle right now. And I'm cutting it. Alright. Down 50 bucks there. See, we get another bounce off VWAP. And then I may be done for the evening. Or for the morning. bounce off of VWAP.
My iguana don't care. It don't really care what stocks you trade or how much Bitcoin you have. My iguana don't care. It just on the branch.
Got orders 10 points below us on MNQ. Currently the CBD is 2,000 positive. Buyers and sellers are fighting it out a little bit at current price. Previous candle shows a little bit of indecision, so right now may not be the best time for me to be in this long, but
My iguana don't care. No need for a flex. No need
it does get
for
below
a
156.
no need for a check. If you got the wrong time,
I will
a part in your hair. He give one long
not get into another long.
then he goes somewhere. My iguana don't care.
170, 180. Come on, push up.
You got a cat or a pussy down there. My iguana don't care. My iguana don't
It looks like we're setting up for a bullish day today.
at you like he ain't really there. If you lay down
So I am in a
or sit
1
on a
micro
chair,
long.
he keep on a chill.
Oh, now I'm out of it. Stop me out for 20 bucks.
No fight, no fuss, no hurry, no fear. Just my iguana don't care. When the day run clear, my iguana don't care. My iguana don't care. If you got a cat or a pussy down there, my iguana don't care. My iguana don't care. He blinks slow at you like he ain't really there. My iguana don't care. It don't really care what stocks you trade.
Yeah, this is
or
definitely
how
looking like a
much
bullish
Bitcoin
day.
you have. My iguana don't care. It just on the branch, cool as a board in a Sunday sunbath. My iguana
And Dave is still sleeping.
iguana don't care. If you got a check or a pussy down there, my iguana don't care. My iguana don't care. He blinks slow at you like he ain't really there.
All right.
My iguana don't care. No need for
All right.
flex.
So apparently Dave is up and running. He just didn't give me the 5-minute warning. So So I am going to cut this out and head over and start listening to his chops a little bit. And I thank you everybody for tuning in. I'll be right back up in a minute.